settle yourselves in for a literary phenomenon as Chris presents his his murder mystery novel, As the Light Beams. Take it away.
It's a good night for a murder. As the Light Beams by Christopher. Chapter 1. Thunder crashed and lightning shone over the watchtower as the light beam caused a reflection on the ocean lapping against the shore. The mansion lay still, save for its 3 occupants. Carlotta, the matriarch of the mansion. Desmond, her sniveling son. And Jules, the guy who was the personal trainer.
You're not my dad!
Drop and give me 50, son. Thank you.
I'm talking
Yes, Carlotta. It is an exciting night.
Look at the way the moon is reflected off the lapping water.
Ah, yes. In your house of luxury.
As this exchange was happening, Desmond was crafting a devious plan. But whom would this plan be against? The scheming in his eyes was indefatigable. Delete. The scheming in his eyes was delete. He looked murderous. Chapter 2. After dinner that night, Jules retired to the home gym, and Carlotta and Desmond had a chance to have a heart-to-heart talk.
Why do you invite all these weird men over?
Desmond, we have so many books in the library and I need help reading them.
Oh, I get it. Reading books, another euphemism.
Carlotta was illiterate.
Nice pictures.
Desmond could see through this ruse like a sheet of gauze.
You're not reading books. Okay. I'll bury the hatchet tonight.
Little did Carlotta know that Desmond's words would be literal. Wait, delete. Desmond manically laughed. Chapter 3. After Jules had worked out for 3.5 hours, he retired to the sauna to get a little schwitz.
Free sauna smoothie?
Well, thank you.
If it tastes like almonds, it means I put almonds in it.
Fortunately, Jules loved almonds, especially in his smoothie.
Good almond smoothie.
Drink it all.
Carlotta entered the foyer and saw Desmond putting away a very suspicious bottle.
Oh, no. Let me see that.
We've got rats.
Well, I can't read, so I don't know what it says.
Just then, the sauna door opened and Jules stumbled out, feeling very, very ill.
I'm not feeling so well.
You're not looking well either.
The color had drained from Jules's face, and he collapsed in Carlotta's arms.
I think it's best for everyone that no one go in the sauna.
Desmond realized that he had got away with the perfect crime, and he laughed maniacally.
You are no son of mine.
Actually, the ancestry DNA results had come through, and Desmond absolutely was Carlotta's son. However, what Desmond did not know was that Carlotta had the sauna rigged with a surveillance camera, and as she went to the room to study the video, Desmond made plans for what he would do after his dear mother was departed.
I would not have believed it of my own alleged flesh and blood.
I wonder if she's thirsty.
Desmond took a drink to his dear mama.
Uh-oh.
It seems that Desmond was not as smart as he thought he was. For as the poison went to his head, he said his final words to his mother.
Remember to pick up some breakfast cereal on your way back from the store.
Bye-bye.
And Carlotta lived to not read another day. The end.